kufuneka sibe ready esayidini lethu njengoba ngisho ngithi kufuneka sibe ne database. We need to know how many of our senior citizens are in the informal settlement. So when we evict those people who are not supposed to be there, then we immediately allocate a senior citizen into a house. The house must not remain vacant after we've evicted. Yes, immediately after that, a senior citizen must then be allocated to a house. Some of them will contest the eviction, knowing very well they are not supposed to be there. They are government officials. They know what they invaded the MRTP houses. They are government officials. They know. But because now they've got a financial capacity, bazofuna ukuya court be contest eviction. Bayazi ukuthi i-court vele izobakhipha, but they want to delay it. Njoba ngisho ngithi mina, in fact nje we made a mistake. Kufuneka sivule ama cases, and legally you must advise us ukuthi what criminal charges or cases can be opened against them. Because we can't have abasebenzi baka government bo invade MRTP houses and we keep quiet. We only do process evictions. What consequences? And some of them are employed by the city of Johannesburg, but invade the project in the city of Johannesburg. So it should not be only be about evictions. But how do we deal with them? How do we address this issue so that it doesn't happen again? So we need to do that. But let's have that database of our senior citizens in the informal settlement. And then we will run it against, we'll just check the number of the senior citizens against the number of eviction orders that we are obtaining. And then we start our own processes so that immediately when we evict, we allocate a senior citizen. That's how we are going to address it, to be quite honest.